All right, let's talk British factoring. So when do I use the British method of factoring? I use it when I am factoring a quadratic where the lead coefficient is not 1, and for whatever reason, guessing and checking is not working for me, or maybe some of us just don't really like to guess and check. So this is a little bit more of a systematic approach that'll help us factor reliably. The first thing I want to do is multiply my first and third terms together. And in this case, I'll get negative 24. Now I'm going to use that. What I'm looking for now are two numbers that multiply to negative 24 and add to positive 5. I do a little guessing and checking there, and I end up with 8 and negative 3. So what I use that 8 and that negative 3 for is I really split my middle term. So I'll be left with 6x squared plus 8x minus 3x minus 4. We haven't really changed the function. We've just split 5 into positive 8 minus 3x. At this point, I'm going to factor by grouping. I'm going to cut my function in half and factor out the GCF on the left and then on the right. Between 6x squared and 8x, the GCF is 2x. And I'm left with 3x plus 4. On the right-hand side, I need to plan ahead. And I know that my end result, I want to have 3x plus 4 in the parentheses. So I need to figure out what I'm going to factor out in order to make that the case. Up here, I have negative 3x minus 4. So my best bet here is going to be to factor out a negative 1. What I'm hoping you notice at this point is that in my parenthesis here, I have 3x plus 4. And in my parenthesis here, I have 3x plus 4. To finish our factoring, we're going to factor out a 3x plus 4 and multiply it times 2x minus 1. I can check my work. I can multiply this out. I'd be left with 6x squared minus 3x plus 8x minus 4, which seems pretty familiar. Once I simplify, I would get back to where I started. Great.